Tinnitus Relief, try these great coping techniques. The term tinnitus is Latin-based and roughly translates to mean ringing or tinkling like a bell. This is a very apt term for a condition that is described as a persistent ringing noise in the ear. This video was designed to help you reduce the negative effects of this troublesome condition. Chewing gum is one of the best remedies for tinnitus. Medical research has shown that chewing gum can relieve the pressure and sounds that are associated with tinnitus. However, be careful to stop chewing if you start feeling more symptoms or if you develop pain in your jaw or elsewhere. If tinnitus causes you problems when you're trying to fall asleep, consider relaxation techniques. Meditation, deep breathing, and even yoga can help you to get your body completely relaxed so you can overcome the noise in your ears. I personally like to use deep breathing, because it helps me both forget the sound and also keeps my blood pressure low. Wash, dry and fold. Not only will doing the laundry keep you busy, but the constant sound from the clothes dryer silences annoying tinnitus ringing. For those who suffer from tinnitus, retraining themselves is a necessary part of helping themselves. By doing a simple household task like laundry, they learn to ignore the agonizing noises in their head. If you suffer from tinnitus, you should consider wearing a noise generator. A noise generator can relieve you tinnitus symptoms by creating a soothing background noise to cover up the sound present in your ear. Some people use music and others find it better to have a soft humming sound playing in their ear. Regardless of the sound you chose, the noise will make dealing with your tinnitus much easier. As previously revealed, tinnitus is a Latin-based word, which describes the ringing sensation that many tinnitus sufferers report. The constant noise causes discomfort because it can affect your attention span. Many people desperately seek relief from this condition. This video hopes to provide tips that bring relief to those who suffer with tinnitus. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.